Mastering the Art of Soldering Components, a Beginner's Guide. Hello, everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into an exciting and essential skill for anyone interested in electronics: soldering components. If you've ever wanted to build or repair electronic devices, understanding this process is crucial. So, let's get started and demystify soldering for all our English language learners out there. Soldering is a process used to join together two or more metal items by melting and putting a filler metal, solder, into the joint. The solder is usually a metal alloy designed to melt at a lower temperature than the pieces being joined. Soldering is widely used in electronics to connect components like resistors, capacitors, and integrated circuits to a circuit board. Before we begin soldering, it's essential to know the tools you'll need. Soldering iron, a hand tool that heats up and is used to melt the solder. Solder, a metal alloy wire that melts to form the joint. Flux, a chemical cleaning agent to improve the soldering process by removing oxidation. Soldering stand, to safely hold the hot soldering iron. Sponge or brass wool, for cleaning the soldering iron tip. Preparation is key to successful soldering. Start by cleaning your work surface and the components to be soldered. Next, tin the tip of your soldering iron by melting a small amount of solder on it. This helps improve heat transfer. Ensure the component leads and the area on the board where you'll be soldering are also clean and free of oxidation. Now, let's get to the main event: soldering components. Here's a step-by-step guide. 1. Heat the joint. Place the tip of the soldering iron so it touches both the component lead and the circuit board pad. 2. Apply solder. Feed a small amount of solder onto the joint, not the tip of the iron. The solder should flow freely and form a shiny, smooth connection. 3. Cool down. Remove the iron and allow the solder to cool naturally. Avoid moving the component until the solder has solidified. Soldering requires handling hot tools and materials, so safety is paramount. Always wear protective eyewear. Work in a well-ventilated area to avoid inhaling fumes. Keep your work area organized to prevent accidents. Congratulations! You've just taken a big step towards becoming proficient in soldering components. With practice, you'll refine your skills and tackle more complex projects with confidence. Remember, patience and attention to detail are your best friends in soldering. Thanks for watching, and we hope this video has shed some light on the art of soldering. Happy tinkering, and see you in our next lesson.